Here are 10 things to make your life easier in 2024. Number 1. Read aloud. This is great on busy days where you need to go completely hands-free.
Aston Villa Football Club, commonly referred to as Villa, is a professional football club based in Aston, Birmingham, England.
Or at times when you need to cut down on your screen time. And it works perfectly with Google and Siri. Number 2. What's this song? Have you ever had trouble remembering the name of a song? Well, in this case, Google, Siri, or Alexa might be able to help you.
So you hit the mic. What song is this? Eleanor Rigby, 47% match. That would be correct. I had no idea Google could do this, but now I'm glad I know.
Number 3. Custom morning routines. So your smart assistants already come with built-in routines, so when you say good morning, it can actually tell you the news and your reminders. But did you know that you can customize it?
Hey Google, good morning.
Good morning, it's 8:17 a.m. Right now in Kino, it's 63 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, there will be scattered thunderstorms with a forecasted high of 76 and a low of 57.
This user added daily trivias and jokes to his routine, and you can do this with Google, Siri, and Alexa. Number 4. Motion detector lights. Now this one's kinda cool. Reed of Smart Home Solver used his Aqara Home sensors, which works with both Google, Siri, and Alexa, all using third-party apps, make it so that the light in his home turn on when he's near them and off when he leaves. No more bumping into things at night. Number 5. Mood setting. We all know that routines and automations can control your smart light, but seeing it in action with an entire room's lighting is something else. This user used it to turn on danger mode for his gaming room. Number 6. Movie mode. User Home Automation Guy set up his smart lights to dim when his TV starts playing a movie and to brighten back up when he pauses it.
So I can walk around without tripping over anything when I get up to go to the toilet or get myself a snack.
I love how this automatically makes the viewing experience so cinematic. Number 7. Clean the air? You probably didn't know about this because it's so new, but Google recently released new routine starters that include knowing when your windows are closed or open using smart window sensors. This allows you to set it up so that your smart air purifier automatically turns on when you open the window and turns off 15 minutes after you close them. Number 8. Cool me down. Did you know that you can make your aircon turn on by itself when it gets too hot? Even if it's not a smart aircon. What? All you need is a smart temperature sensor and a smart plug for the aircon. Then, when the day gets too hot, Google can turn on your aircon automatically. What? This is crazy! Number 9. Level up your security.
Check this out. Google and Amazon users have been waiting to do this for years.
Add another level of security with this routine. You can set your lights to red to alert you when somebody breaks into your home. Of course, we don't want anyone to break in, but just in case. So here's the thing, this used to only be available with third-party apps, but now Google has this built in with Google Home. You can set Google to work with your robot vacuum to start as soon as you leave so that you can always come back to a clean home. And that's 10 smart home routines you can try right now. Let us know in the comments below which one you try out, and we'll see you next week for your next upgrade. See you, neighbors.